Hi friends, let us come to the other part of the chapter, life processes in subtopic photosynthesis. Here we'll discuss about the pigment that is associated with photosynthesis. So photosynthetic pigment basically comprises of chlorophyll-a, which is a main pigment, and chlorophyll-b. Now main difference here between chlorophyll-a has hydrogen number 72, whereas in chlorophyll-b it is hydrogen number 70. Apart from that, we have other pigment like we have carotenoids, xanthophylls. Now carotenoids are known as the shield pigment. That means this pigment will protect the chlorophyll or from the excessive damage because of the solar radiation. So that's why these pigments are known as the shield pigment. Okay, now we'll come to the raw material that is required in the photosynthesis. So let us come quickly for the raw material that is required is carbon dioxide. Now carbon dioxide, the plants they acquire from the surroundings, okay, then that very important stomata plays a very important role. We all know, we have studied the stomata in the previous slide. So a stomata is present in the plant in the two types, that is monocot and dicot. So in a monocot plant, the stomata is present only in the both the sides, both the upper side as well as the lower side stomata is present, whereas in a dicot plant it is found only in the lower side, the stomata is present. Okay, now another important raw material that we talk about here, it is a water. Water is very important. The water is conducted in the plant by the help of a conducting tissue called xylem. We all know the various components of xylem as well. Here there is a photolysis of water. That means the molecule of water is broken down. Splitting of water will take place, because of which electron is released and also proton. That moves to the electron transport system. Now when they go to the electron transport system, they generate ATP and NADPH. So these are the energy rich molecules that provides the energy to the plant which is required. Now overall the photosynthesis is divided into two parts. One is the light reaction which happens in the grana. Light reaction will happen in the grana, which comprises of excitement of chlorophyll, photolysis of water, and photophosphorylation, which means the generation of ATP and NADPH, energy rich molecule. The other part of the photosynthesis is called dark reaction. So dark reaction happens in the stroma, which is also known as the Calvin cycle. Now children, there is another the factors, whatever is the raw material required for the photosynthesis, it comes to become the factor also. So the factor will include sunlight, temperature, carbon dioxide and water. Here carbon dioxide we call major limiting factor, so it plays a very important role. So this is the end of this photosynthesis chapter. If you have any doubt, please give your questions.